Now 2 years have passed and gone, though they like centuries appear. Since I'd fallen and alone I sailed from Ireland dear. Shall I ne'er see it no more, my heart long languished o'er? Shall I forget my boyhood home, my own loved Hibernia shore? While standing at my rancho door, or riding o'er the pampa plains, I silently long to hear the sweet voices of her labouring swain. Though the pampas may have fields as fair and green all o'er, to me there is no soil that yields like my own Hibernia shore. I long to see her native groves, where oft I chase the bounding hare, and snare the woodcock and the dove, listen to the cuckoo's voice so clear. Oh, had I but eagle's wings, across the Atlantic I would soar. I'd think no more on earthly things, till safe upon Hibernia shore. Or could I cope with bards of yore by proudly writing words sublime, the praises of her fertile shore, while life stands in its youthful prime? For when I'm sinking towards a tomb, my feeble hand would trace no more the words I'd write of that dear home, my own loved Hibernia shore. Though there are comforts beyond La Plata's mouth, where the Indian once did freely roam, still I'd forsake the pleasures of the South for my dear old native home. Old Erin, for you my heart is weeped in grief, a heart that's Irish to the core. Long may I love the shamrock leaf that grows around Hibernia.